Woo, look at Daniel go. This is Daniel in the bathtub. Oh, he's a hardy soul. Yes, sirree. He likes to take a bath. And see, after you get finished doing this, then you get to wipe down all the walls in the bathroom and get the mop and mop up all the floor. Really gets the bathroom all wet. Yes, sirree. He likes to see how hard he can come in. Oh, yeah, this is his favorite thing. What are you doing, huh? You gonna make a big mess? This makes everything a total incomplete. Uh-oh, got a scratchy up here. Uh-oh.